is a cervical disc replacement? Well, a cervical disc replacement, also known as a cervical arthroplasty, is exactly what it sounds like. And that's when you replace the discs in the front of the neck or the cervical spine. Cervical disc replacements can be done for a variety of reasons, but the majority of them are disc herniations in the neck where the disc material has pushed out and is pushing on the nerves, oftentimes causing severe pain, burning, numbness, tingling, or even weakness in the patient's arm or arms. This procedure is minimally invasive, it's done as an outpatient, and it's a safe procedure that involves coming from the front of the spine, or once you target the disc of interest, you take out the entirety of the disc, which allows for visualization of the spinal cord and the exiting nerves, and instead of inserting a fusion device, you insert a mobile spacer. So the mobile spacer or bearing still allows for the neck to flex and extend as well as rotate. This motion preservation device is ideal for some patients, but it is not right for every patient. To find out if you're a good candidate for cervical disc arthroplasty or disc replacement, check out more information on my website or come see me in the office.